Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kinsey. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we have a double unboxing. I've got my very first item from Longchamp and a very exciting sold out Louis Vuitton item. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kinsey. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we're doing an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea that I would ask you, consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the unboxing. So yes, I have got both of these today. This one we'll start with. I have already unboxed these for TikTok, so if you don't follow me over on TikTok, you should totally do that. I've been posting every single day, twice a day. So yeah, go follow. But let's just start off with this right here. This is from Longchamp and it is my first ever Longchamp purchase. Crazily enough, I actually got this item for free. I guess you could say free, because I had built up so many points on my card, like my Citi Double Cash card. It sounds like a sponsor, it's not though. I had built up a lot of points on that, like cashback points. I saw when I went to go purchase this item that if I paid with my Citi card, that I could use my points, and I was able to use like all the points to get this item for free on my end. So that's like so exciting, and it was something that I really was interested in because I've seen a few videos of people talking about this little piece, Hello Catwalk City, which I love her channel, and she showed this particular item in her like SLG collection. And plus, right now I'm using the Marc Jacobs mini tote bag that fits so much stuff, so I'm so excited about it. But let's just get into it without any further ado. I like the bags on these. I don't know if this is the same type of bag that you get if you get it directly from the store. Does Longchamp have like flagship stores, like actual Longchamp stores? They probably do, but I know that they're sold mostly on like Nordstrom, Saks, and stuff like that. But they have their own website, so I'm sure they have their own store. And this right here is going to be more of a reveal. It's not too much of an unboxing because I've already unboxed it, for one, and number two, it didn't really come with much. It just kind of came with the item inside this bag. So here she is. So this is what I got, and it's so stinking cute. So this is the Longchamp coin purse, and Hello Catwalk City has hers in, I believe, the beautiful red color. I got mine in black just because I thought that it looked really nice. So as you can see, the top part here is leather, and it looks like a grained leather. I'm not 100% sure what type of leather it is. I guess I could look it up. I also was thinking about doing it in the white, but I was just like, that's gonna get dirty real fast. But the white is beautiful, and this retails for $65, and they have a bunch of beautiful colors. Okay, so the trimming is leather. It is Russian leather cowhide, and then the material around it is a canvas, kind of like a nylon-y type of material. But it's so beautiful, and I call these wings. I feel like the Longchamp wings are like really iconic. I feel like a lot of their bags have that. Do they not? Yeah, even the little tote bags have the little ears, like the little wings. They're so cute. Anyways, Russian leather here, and then it has the beautiful Longchamp logo. The one that I saw on Hello Catwalk City's YouTube video didn't have this beautiful gold pull tab. It had like a different pull tab, so I like mine a lot. I like hers too, but like I love this little pull tab. It's so cute. And then it has a gold little button on the side, and then you open her up and she is a zipper closure, just like that, as you can see. And I actually threw away the stuffing already because I'm just an idiot, so I did stuff it with tissues just to show you, to kind of give you the vibe, I guess. But yeah, that's just the inside, and the inside is also kind of just like a canvas material, and that's pretty much it. She's really, really nice. I have been really meaning to keep my coins, because when I do use cash, we use cash not super often, but when we do, my coins, like change that I get, always ends up like in the ashtray of my car because I don't smoke. So like all the coins just end up piling up inside the ashtray, and it makes my car dirty. So now I have this beautiful little coin purse to keep in my bag. I love her. So that is the first little piece that I picked up. I had to take a coffee break. The next item is something that I am so excited about. So as you can tell, she is from Louis Vuitton. And I actually got this item from Rebag. I was absolutely not about to pay the full retail price for this. Now it's $745. No ma'am. So I got this on Rebag and I ended up paying what it would have been before the price increase. So I feel like that's a little bit more worth it. And when I was looking at this, of course, Rebag, not sponsored, but I would love to. Rebag, if you're interested, hit me up. This is a used piece. It is a pre-loved piece. And as you can see, leave a comment down below because you can see the size of it now. Leave a comment what you think that it is. On the website, of course, they do like if it's from like fair condition all the way up to like pristine condition. And this one was listed as very good condition, but like genuinely, I think that it should have been listed as like excellent condition because there's like nothing wrong with it in the slightest. Here is the Rebag little tag that I got with it. And of course, I've already taken it off because I'm not returning this. Absolutely not. It's so cute. So here's the little dust bag, and it came with the dust bag as well, which is great in the box, as you can see. Okay, so I did get the Louis Vuitton mini pochette in the gorgeous, beautiful, stunning Damier Ebene print. This is the first Damier Ebene piece that I have added to my collection. The reason I'm doing this is because the dust bag is kind of a tight squeeze for this. So like I didn't want to keep it in there for too long and risk like hurting the bag or anything. So now I'm just trying to like stretch it back out a little. But yes, it is the most stunning, beautiful Damier Ebene print. And one thing that I was so excited about when I saw this piece on Rebag is that this one is made in Paris, y'all. It is made in France. Yeah, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I know that a lot of the Louis Vuitton pieces, especially the SLGs, I don't know if it's all SLGs or just a few of them, but a lot of them are being made in the USA now, which sucks. I mean, of course, I'm all for like made in the USA. I do live here. Louis Vuitton is a French brand, you know? Like there's just something about getting a piece that's made in Paris, and I really like it. Also, they can be made in Spain and they can be made in Italy, I do believe also. Also, let's take a look at the exterior. Why did I say that so weird? The exterior, because again, this was listed as very good condition and not like excellent or great condition or something, but like it's not full right now. So it is a little bit like collapsed, I guess you could say, but like I feel like that would happen just in general. But there's literally nothing wrong with the stitching or with the bag in any way, shape, form, or fashion. And the hardware does have, like, you can tell that it's not brand new from the store. Like you can tell it's like a tiny bit, you know how when you've had something for a little while and the hardware gets a little cloudy? Does that make any sense? Like it's not super shiny and there are like tiny little hairline scratches on it, but that would have happened anyways if I would have got it brand new. And I saved like $250, $300 ish. Are you kidding? And it's literally I think it should be listed as like great condition. And they said that there was like a couple of stains on the inside, and I'm like, where? I don't see anything on the inside. It looks amazing. But as you can tell, it does have this beautiful pop of red on the interior. We love that. And then I did just want to quickly show what I have been using in this bag, or what I've been putting inside of it. I'm using it right now as like a little catch-all, but I do plan to start using it as maybe like a wristlet or something. That would be super cute because you can take off the little clasp on this side and then just hook it over here on this side and just use it as a wristlet, which is so cute. Like I could totally see myself going to like Publix or Target and just using this as like a tiny little wristlet. It would be so cute, especially in the summertime. This like would be a very cute mini summertime bag. And I know a lot of other people have like gotten separate chains. The chain is not removable. This side is the only one that is removable. This side right here is connected to the little D-ring. I see a lot of other people still get like separate little chains and little straps and stuff to wear a crossbody. Can you even fit this over your shoulder? I want to know. I actually forgot to do that. I'm wearing a big bulky sweater right now, but if I was wearing like a tank top or something that's not a sweater, you can actually fit it over your shoulder. Oh my God. If I can fit it over my shoulder wearing this giant sweater, then I can definitely fit it over my shoulder wearing like a regular shirt. But right now I'm just using it as a catch-all inside of my Marc Jacobs tote bag. I really have like grown to be obsessed with that bag. Anyways, I'll do a review about it at some point. But let me show you what fits in the bag. I have been keeping currently my hand sanitizer. I'm almost out of her. Very sad. I need to get another one. I've been keeping my gum in here, which you can obviously swap these out. I do carry gum from time to time, but I could take it out and put something else inside, but they just fit in there like that. And then I have my little Cadence doodad here. It just has ibuprofen in it because I do get headaches, and it magnetizes to the side. It's so cute. And then that just kind of goes over on the side like that. And then I do keep a little cloth. This is a cleaning cloth for your sunglasses, and I cannot stand my glasses to be dirty. Like, I genuinely hate it. So I do like to carry one of these in here, and I just kind of shimmy it on the side. It's really thin, so it doesn't take up a lot of space or anything. And then I've been keeping my lip gloss in here from Summer Fridays. This one is a new flavor, or like a new one. It's called Poppy, and it's really, really cute. I like it a lot. I like the pretty color. And then of course I carry my Dior Lip Glow lipstick because I love this. And that is all that I normally carry inside of her, as for right now at least. I could probably carry more. I could swap out the gum and put something else. Like if I knew that I was like vlogging or doing something video related, then I could just take everything out and make this like a little catch-all for my batteries, for my memory cards. I could even probably fit my actual whole camera in here, kind of plop it in my bag. But yeah, that's what I keep inside of this cute little baby. I am so obsessed with her. I don't know why. It's just, she's so little and precious, and I'm just obsessed. And I like how puffy she is. Like, I like when you fill her up, she kind of gets a little puffy. Oh my God, I love it so much. Also, the last time that I saw this on the LV website, it's out of stock. I don't know if it's back in stock as the time that I'm filming this, but I feel like maybe a few months ago, maybe 2022 or something, there was a time where this was impossible to get your hands on. And it might still be the same way in the boutique, but I have seen it on the website in stock before, but the last time I went to go look, it was out of stock. Maybe it's back in now, but again, I'm just happy that I got it from Rebag and I got the discount. But I do feel kind of lucky that I have one of these now, because like they are pretty hard to get your hands on. So that's nice. Anyways, that has been my double unboxing, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think of the two little pieces that I unboxed today. Let me know which one you prefer, if you like this Longchamp coin purse or if you like the Louis Vuitton mini pochette accessoire. Let me know just anything in the comments because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, again, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!